How to verify your age on Roblox under 13. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can verify your age on Roblox under 13. So basically, in order to verify your age on Roblox, you need to be 18 plus because it's gonna ask you to provide in your ID while you're verifying your age. But then the other method to verify age, if you're under 13, then what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser, and then on the web address bar type in roblox.support.com. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and request to change your date of birth. So basically you go to roblox.support.com. so right over here you need to go ahead and provide in your contact info. You need to go ahead and select the first name if you have any and email address associated with your Roblox account. For the confirmation, type in twice. Once you're done, go ahead and select on what sort of device that you're having problem with. Select PC. After that, you need to select the type of help category. So the category is going to be age-based settings and account with parental privileges. Once again, to be more specific, select change child age. After that, go ahead and write a description of the issue. So for the issue, you can just go ahead and select the valid. You can just go ahead and write in a valid reason, such as you want to change your date of birth in order to do this and that, so on, whatever you can type in, but make sure that you've provided a valid reason. Only then Roblox gonna look into your matter and they might send you an instruction with the change in your age. So this is how you can, once done entering the information, click the submit button. After you're done submitting, usually it's gonna take 24 to 48 hours, so till then you need to wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way you can verify your age on Roblox under 13. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.